Hello, today I'm going to talk through the work I have done for this challenge. So challenge is to find a service, a platform that connect expert, and this is the service that can provide a service to find people and for financial service like accountant, CO and AR revenue. So that's an example. And we need the feature user profile, search functionality, account creation, quote request, and review system. So yeah, that's an overview of the product that I need to create in for this challenge. So the first thing we're gonna look at is the design of the whole system. And so for this solution, so I want it's roughly looking like this. And so for the front end, I want to have the profile here, like a screen for the profile. And here it would load all the possible service that we have. And in here is a search for keywords. So we put keywords in and you press search, you can choose any of those. And also if you want to save that search, you can choose add a new search so that it gonna save everything here with the name search that we want to put in. And then it also has some of the save search that you had before, so you can just click that for quick approach. And then as the beginning of the page, you can have it start off with the person, the name, the position, and what their reviews and their information. So it's yeah, so listed as like this. And then as you click to one of those um, people, then you will be able to view their profile as it look like this. And so we have this do the same, and then here's their profile, and their name, their position, and their overall kind of review. Here's we got a little bit of the description of them. Um, and this is this is a part where you can put your description of your request and get a quote if you want that profile. And here's a big other like expansion of the review as you go through. Now when you click the profile and if you haven't logged in, you will be able to get to the page where you can view uh, all the login email and password, and if you want to log in you click log in, otherwise you click register so you can be registered for it. And if you when you log in you will be able to view your own page which look like this, and it has description and all the things. And if you want to delete your account you can also delete your account as well. And we have this as a different type of API that going on with the back end that we have. So if we look at the database design first as a way to reference, so in this case we have the main thing which is the profile, and the profile is connected to the messages which they send the message. And so when they send a message for a quote inside of a quote, so profile would relate to a quote, and then the quote, so we're gonna have the review for the quote, so the quote would have related to that profile. So in that case, we can pull the review for that quote as well. And so, and also, so this is one to one. So one quote has one review, but some quote may not have any review because they are not accepted. And so also we have the service type, which relate to the profile. So the profile gonna have the service type. And each profile you can do a save search. So the save search, this when you search for something, you can save it, so as can be related as well. So yeah, those are an overall kind of database for the backend. And in the back end we also have the service type, so we have a function to load different service type. And in this case it had the input and the output that are coming out with it as a planning. So the profile, we have load profile, create profile, delete profile, and edit profile. So these very similar. It has an input, the type of the thing, and the output, what should be the returning result of the when you put the input in. So we have success and failure input. So very similar. So load profile, create profile, delete profile, and edit profile. And also for the save search, we're able to create that. We load it, we delete it, and we also edit it. And then for quote, we can request the quote. We change a quote if we need to. Can get the quote. So get quote, and we can have yeah, basically just get that quote by ID. And also we have send a message in the quote, so someone can send a message. And similar for review, so create, delete, edit, and we can get it or load it to see it. So yeah, that's basically the main frame of this product. Yeah. Well, how the API would go. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, I hope to talk to you at some point.